Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn HTML paragraph tags. So jump to the project and then discuss. This is the HTML paragraph tags. How to write this one? Just p tag. Just use p tag, and this will be HTML paragraph tags. So next time I hope you will understand how to write HTML paragraph tags here. Okay, this is the HTML paragraph text. If you want to when you need to write long text, that's mean you should write p tag. Okay, this is the HTML paragraph text. Okay, how to write? Just p open and close and int tag. Okay, this is the HTML paragraph text. So I hope you will understand. See you soon next video. Thank you so much.